Choosing between Nifty Gateway and OpenSea depends on your priorities. OpenSea offers a vast, decentralized marketplace with lower fees and supports multiple blockchains. It's great for experienced NFT traders seeking diverse assets and the lowest cost. Nifty Gateway focuses on curated drops, celebrity collaborations, and ease of use, especially for newcomers. It charges higher fees but simplifies transactions with fiat currency options. If you want exclusive, high-profile NFTs and a user-friendly experience, Nifty Gateway is suitable. For broad access and lower costs, OpenSea is better. OpenSea integrates with e-commerce tools like Shopify, expanding its reach. It's also working on Layer 2 solutions to reduce Ethereum gas fees. Nifty Gateway focuses on gaming with Nifty Arcade and strong brand partnerships. OpenSea currently dominates trading volume. Both platforms face regulatory scrutiny, pushing for compliance and sustainability, like carbon-neutral minting. Expect to see increased Web3 and metaverse integration, with AI tools assisting in NFT creation and verification. OpenSea may dominate through its Shopify ecosystem. The right platform depends on if you're an established NFT user or new to the space.